let's go. Let's go. Oil change is done. Time to fill her up. Take her on her maiden voyage with some fresh oil in there. And then drop off a special package. Well, it's not really special anymore. Dropping off an air mattress for Sweetheart. And then I'm gonna go to AutoZone, drop off the dirty oil. And from there, I might do a little freeway pull, move all those fluids around, get her up to temp, push her a little bit. And then from there, I can check the levels again. We're showing just below the max mark, so I didn't want to top any off. We'll drive it, move everything around, get that filter full, and go from there, and hopefully we can get this little girl out for a few drives. I'm looking forward to that. Some mountain driving. We're here for it. All right. We're rolling. Just dropped the oil off at AutoZone. They do free oil recycling. So I got that dropped off. Ooh, look at this car. Is that a McLaren? Yeah. That was a nice car. I'm balling on my budget, baby. 1991 Mercedes 500 SL. It's a V8 5-liter 2-door coupe. Being 91, it was pre-merger, so these were still hand-built in the Mercedes factory in Germany. Yeah. This thing's a dream to drive. She comes with her headaches, but that's what a 35-year-old German car will do for you. Keep you on your toes. Keep you working. Keep those fingernails dirty. But it's a beautiful day. Temps warming up. 71 right now. Middle of May. The foothills are green. Everything's blooming. Life is lush. Gonna go do a little freeway pull. Get her up to temp. Park her. Check fluids. And then we'll get her washed up and ready for that next ride, baby. Looking forward to it. Alright, we are rolling onto the freeway. Looks like we got some merging traffic. Afternoon today on this Monday. We're on the city center. Gonna connect towards downtown. Takes the exit towards the house. Just a short little cruise, get the temps up, heat up the engine. Sure there's no oil leaks. Everything's looking good, so we can take her out for a real drive. Alright, we're getting close to our city center exit. Too much traffic to have any fun, but that's okay. Just to get the oil up to temp, move her around. And there's nobody out here. This is a fun little section. You weave under, loop back, stay left. Got about 1.5 miles until my exit. See if traffic clears at all. It looks like I got that VW on the left. Boise though, what a view. Man, I love that. Just a spectacular sunny day. Some nice puffy clouds above the mountains. The snow's all gone. It was a tough winter. Back into town. Time to check fluids, make sure she's good. She's looking good, and we'll clean her up. Go for some mountain drives.